If you want to be dangerously self-educated, this video is exactly for you and you need to hear this. See, everyone has a degree now, and a degree doesn't necessarily tell you how capable someone is. And that is exactly why self-educating yourself has become so much more important than ever before. But here's the problem. Most people think that they are self-educating themselves, but the thing is, the reality is they're doing it completely wrong. See, here's the common belief most people have. They think that self-education मतलब more input, ज़्यादा reading करना, ज़्यादा podcast सुनना, ज़्यादा courses करना, just becoming so much knowledgeable is what is self-educated. Another thing that people believe is that gaining more and more knowledge and staying more updated in the field that you are in is just becoming more self-educated. This is basically being self-informed or being self-taught about something. But if I really talk about the meaning of self-education, it's completely different from this. If you really want to be dangerously self-educated, there are a few mechanisms that needs to go together in your life. You need to follow, and they should happen all together in your life. And here are the 3 mechanisms that you should be following. So the number 1 mechanism is that apply before you are ready. See, most people wait. मैं ready feel करूँगा तब मैं अपना knowledge apply करना start करूँगा. It's not like that. See, the whole point of getting dangerously self-educated is to stand out from the crowd, right? Or else why do you want to be dangerously self-educated? And if you want to stand out from the crowd, you need to go in that direction where the crowd is not going, right? Most of the people just gain so much knowledge and they do nothing with their knowledge. They don't apply it in their real life. They just wait for being ready कि जब मैं ready feel करूँगा तब मैं अपना knowledge apply करूँगा. And that is exactly where everyone goes wrong. I think आज जो हम era और world में जी रहे हैं, we already have enough knowledge. Let me tell you that we have so much resources. AI आ गया है. We have plenty of things and we have plenty of knowledge. And that is exactly why applying it will only make sense. देखो, knowledge बस होना is not gonna make you have the things that you want to have. Most people fear that what if they do it imperfectly? What if they do it messy? What if they fail in public? That is exactly you want to do. Start doing it imperfectly. Start doing it messy. You just need to do it wrong. It is meant to go wrong. It is meant to be imperfect. It is meant to be messy in the initial stage. But once you start applying it and once you have enough data, then you start optimizing for it. जो भी तुम कर रहे हो, let's say for example, अगर तुम personal branding के videos देख रहे हो, content creation के videos देख रहे हो, अगर तुम startups के बारे में देख रहे हो, just having that kind of knowledge in your brain is not gonna make you actually have a successful startup or being a successful creator. If you really want to be successful in your particular field, you need to start applying it because you already have enough knowledge. So the whole point I'm trying to say here is that you need to stop waiting for getting enough knowledge because you already have enough knowledge. You need to start acting upon it. You need to start applying it. The second point is that you need to expose yourself with disagreement. इसका मतलब क्या है? Basically deliberately putting yourself in a situation where तुम्हारे opinions, तुम्हारे arguments, तुम्हारे ideas को कोई डिसएग्री कर रहा है. बिकॉज मोस्टली हमारे घर में क्या होता है, हमारे जो भी आइडियाज होते हैं, जो भी आर्ग्यूमेंट्स होते हैं, पीपल से कि ओके यू आर राइट, बट नोबडी एक्चुअली डिसएग्रीज एंड दैट इज व्हाई वी डू नॉट गेन द कंप्लीट पर्सपेक्टिव अबाउट इट, अबाउट द आइडिया दैट वी हैव और अबाउट द क्राफ्ट दैट वी आर परस्यूइंग. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर तुम किसी करियर पाथ को चुन रहे हो, हैव अ कॉन्वर्सेशन विद समवन हु एक्चुअली डिसएग्रीज विद योर करियर पाथ, क्योंकि then you'll understand the positives and the negatives of it and you'll gain a complete perspective about it. The whole point of this is you gaining more perspective about your own particular field or your own particular craft. तो basically मैं यही बोलना चाहता हूँ कि surround yourself with the kind of people जो agree करेंगे तुम्हारे साथ, but at the same point अगर if they feel they disagree with something, they'll say it out loud. They'll disagree with you and they'll tell you that this is what I feel and this is wrong in my opinion. And that is the kind of people who are truly real and are real with you. मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा कि ऐसे लोग चुनो जो तुम्हारे साथ हमेशा disagree करते हैं. That is toxic. But know that you have to surround yourself with people who also disagree with you, your arguments, your ideas, because that is where you gain more perspective about your craft, your field, and the thing that you are trying to improve in. And that is why this is one of the most important things if you want to be dangerously self-educated in something. अगर आपके पास वो लोग नहीं है और if you're not able to kind of surround yourself with the people who actually disagree with you, just go on the internet and read about something or try to gain knowledge about something which you disagree with or maybe you don't have a perspective upon yet. The third point is that you need to teach it and don't just repeat it. द थर्ड पॉइंट बेसिकली मीन्स दैट क्या तुम किसी चीज को टीच कर पा रहे हो. लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल अगर तुम पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग, कंटेंट क्रिएशन, कोडिंग या फिर इसके अलावा कोई भी चीज अगर तुम सीख रहे हो, आर यू एबल टू टीच इट टू समवन? एंड इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. क्या तुम किसी और को वो एक्सप्लेन कर पा रहे हो? एंड ट्रस्ट मी, यू नीड टू एक्सप्लेन इट टू समवन और एल्स यू वोंट एवर फाइंड आउट दैट you've actually learned something or not. Let's say for example, if you watch a video about personal branding or content creation or coding or whatever, are you able to teach it to your mother who thinks Instagram or YouTube is probably a waste of time? Are you able to tell her that this thing and making videos is probably going to make you income in some time without even mentioning the word branding? Are you genuinely able to teach it to her and make her understand it and not just repeat the words what you heard in the video? Just forget about your mother. Are you able to teach it to yourself? अगर मैं बोलूँ कि ये वीडियो जो तुमने देखा है about anything, क्या तुम अपने आप को सिखा सकते हो? अगर आपने जो वीडियो देखा है, क्या तुम उसे 1 मिनट में अपने आप को समराइज कर सकते हो without even using the words what he used? And if you are able to do it, if you are able to teach it to someone or yourself in your language with your understanding, that is when you genuinely become self-educated. That is when you genuinely know that you have learned something. And trust me guys, when you apply the knowledge that you have, you expose yourself to disagreement, and when you are able to teach it and not just repeat what you have learned, that is exactly when you become dangerously self-educated. And the difference between self-informed and self-taught versus being self-educated is that when you are self-informed, you wait to know enough to take action or apply it or create something, and when you are self-educated, you follow these 3 mechanisms. And one last thing that I wanted to say is that if you are someone who genuinely and truly wants to become the best version of themselves through self-improvement, this channel is exactly for you. And if you found this video helpful or valuable, do let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, stay blessed and keep growing.